Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Mail app and going straight to Accounts. This is where email lives. Sign in with your Apple ID or choose Other for a MAP/POP credentials. Once done, enable the Mail toggle so messages sync to your device. Make sure you enter the exact email and password and accept any device permissions. After that, force close and reopen Mail to trigger the initial sync. You should see the inbox populate within seconds if credentials and network are correct. Next, you configure how Mail handles messages so it fits your workflow. Go to Settings Mail to set fetch schedule, push for instant, or intervals to save battery. Then map mailbox behavior so drafts, sent, and trash sync with the server. This prevents duplicates or lost messages. Once done, customize swipe actions and add VIPs to prioritize contacts. Make sure notifications are enabled per account so you know when new mail arrives. This keeps you responsive without opening the app constantly. To finish, organize and secure your email so daily use is smooth. Archive or flag threads, use search with sender or subject, and create mailboxes for rules. Enable two-factor authentication and app-specific passwords for third-party clients to keep your account safe. If messages stop syncing, restart the device first. If that fails, remove and re-add the account, checking server settings and password accuracy. A final tip: confirm no storage limits are reached, full iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.